I heard from HR in Geberit that they had a project together with Helvetas in the province of Nepal, supplying a small village with water system. That's why I volunteered to come here and do this work together with all my colleagues from Scandinavia.
We are sitting here on the rooftop of Helvetas in Skjøget. We traveled yesterday from Kathmandu, first by airplane, then by bus through the national park.
Today we are going to the village where we actually going to work. My expectations for the next week is to come close to the daily life and also do some proper work for them.
When we arrived in Laffa, we all felt that we were very welcome. They were having a ceremony and a dance for us, and that was when we were in our new home for the next week.
The first day we was going to dig a hole in the ground to put the pipes in. It should be 100 meters long and 90 centimeters deep. And we have very good help from the locals, especially the women. They are hard workers.
This is a gravity-proof pipe water supply scheme from which 201 people of 38 households will benefit. The cost of this scheme is $100 per person.
We have built a water cistern and a distribution point so that they now can have water posts right in front of their houses.
हामीलाई टाढा 30 मिनेट लाग्थ्यो पानी ल्याउन अहिले अब के गरे आउन जान 30 मिनेट लाग्थ्यो टाढाबाट पानी ल्याउँदाखेरि अब खाना पकाउन पनि अब त्यति पुग्थेन के गरे त्यो पानीले अब अहिले धारा घरघरै बन्दाखेरि खाना पुग्ने भयो अब सरसफाइमा पनि पुग्ने भयो सबै अब टोयलेटमा पुग्ने भयो सागसब्जीहरु पनि त्यही पानीले अब करसाबारीमा लगाउने पनि पुग्ने भयो त्यही खुसी लागेछ
यो योजनाको साथसाथै हाम्रो सरसफाई कार्यक्रम पनि भएको कारणले र गाउँमा धेरै बाटोघाटोहरुमा पहिला 4x4 हुन्थ्यो अहिले एकदम सुधारिएको छ र घरघरमा बाटोहरु पनि पुगेको छ धेरै राम्रो छ पहिलाको भन्दा अहिले र यो पानी भएको कारणले पनि अबको दिनहरुमा झन् अति नै राम्रो हुनेछ भन्ने र यो गाउँलाई नमुना गाउँ हुन्छ होला भन्ने मलाई आशा लागेको छ
I'm so glad that I have the opportunity to be a part of this project.
If you ever get the chance to go to Nepal, you should definitely go. It's been the greatest experience of my life.